How to mute the video in VN Video Editor. Need to mute your video audio in the VN Video Editor. Here's how to do it quickly and easily. First, open your project and select the video clip you want to mute. Tap the volume icon at the bottom toolbar. Then drag the volume slider all the way to the left to mute the audio. You'll see the volume icon change to muted, confirming it's silent. If you want to mute multiple clips, just repeat this on each one. You can add music or voiceover after muting your original clip for better sound control. Ever needed to mute a noisy background? Let us know your story in the comments below. And that's how you can mute the video in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.